Breaking news out of South Sudan. A political earthquake is shaking Juba as first vice president and opposition leader Dr. Riek Machar has been formally charged with treason, murder, and crimes against humanity. The announcement comes just months after he was placed under house arrest. And tonight, the stakes for South Sudan's fragile peace are higher than ever. Justice Minister Dr. Joseph Geng Akech revealed that Machar, along with 7 top officials, including Petroleum Minister Puot Kang Charged and General Gabriel Duop Lam, is accused of involvement in deadly White Army militia attacks in Upper Nile State.
The accused persons are as follows, and they are 8 in number. Number 1, Dr. Riek Machar Dorgon. Number 2, Mr. Puot Kang Charged. Number 3, Lieutenant General Gabriel Duop Lam. Number 4, Mr. Mam Pal Dor. Number 5, Mr. Gadwich Lam Poch. Number 6, Brigadier General Camilo Gadmai Kel. Number 7, Mr. Mading Riek Yak. And 8, Mr. Dominic Gadgok Riek. The case will now proceed to trial before competent court, where evidence will be adduced by the prosecution to prove the charges beyond reasonable doubt.
Authorities say a total of 21 people have been indicted, with 13 still at large. If convicted, Machar could lose his position as vice president and face one of the most high-profile trials in South Sudan's history. This case has already divided opinion. Government officials insist justice will be served, while civil society leaders warn the trial must be fair and transparent, not a so-called kangaroo court.
If they are in conflict with the law, they should be presented to a competent court of law where due legal process will be highly observed, and if they are not in conflict with the law, they should be free. Now the Ministry of Justice have officially confirmed that His Excellency First Vice President and detainees from his party are now in conflict with the law because of the crimes that were levied by the Ministry of Justice on behalf of the incumbent government against His Excellency First Vice President and some members of his party who are detainees. As a civil society, my appeal to the leadership of the country that the court that is going to try His Excellency First Vice President and some members of his party who are detainees should be a competent court of law, not a kangaroo court of law. Should be a court that should observe all ethics of respecting human rights and rule of law, and should be a court that upholds the legal practices in the manner of due legal process are all respected.
And all of this is unfolding while the 2018 peace agreement, signed by Machar and President Salva Kiir, remains fragile, with critical promises still unmet. What happens next could determine not just Machar's future, but the future of South Sudan's peace itself. Will this trial bring accountability or plunge the country deeper into political crisis? We'll be tracking every development, every twist, right here. If you want to stay ahead of the story as it unfolds, don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to South Sudan 24 for the latest breaking news and in-depth analysis. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For now, thank you for watching and stay tuned.